Hey there everyone, all the techies and data enthusiasts there. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is video 2 of PIP versus UV. So it's a part 2 actually. In this particular video, I am going to demonstrate you all how can you install UV package manager in your laptop and how can you configure with your Python projects. So obviously I have a small script here to run. I'll definitely show you all with the help of that. And before that guys, if you haven't seen my part 1, that is an introduction video, you can see it in the iCard section and also in the description below as well. You will get the link. Please check it out. Only after understanding what is an UV package manager, then only please see this video, you will understand it very clearly. So guys, now let's get started. Okay, introduction to UV. So guys, after this particular video, you will definitely make your mind to use UV in your upcoming projects, and even you will guide your team also to use this. So just stay till the end of this particular video. When you are just guiding them, you are explaining them about UV, right? After seeing this particular video, after understanding the importance of UV compared to your traditional PIP package, so instead of just telling them please share my video link so that even I can get subscribers. Okay, let's go ahead. What is UV? UV is a super fast package manager which was designed on Rust actually. So Rust created it, or you can say using the Rust programming language, the creator of Rough, who is the person who created the Rough, right? That same person has created UV package manager. So this was mainly designed to replace your PIP tools, PIPX, and virtual environment, poetry, and PyEnv. So all these particular tools are there, right, to replace them. So they have designed UV. So what is that speciality in UV? Just check out our next slides as well. So let us explore them. Key features of UV: speed. So in your traditional normal PIP packages, right, if you want to install something, normal small packages, it's fine. If you want to install big packages or huge packages, like take example of your NVIDIA like GPU based packages or transformer models, if you want to install them, their dependencies and everything, to install them approximately it will take some 2 to 5 minutes of time. But what UV package manager person who created it, right, they are claiming that it is 8 to 10x fast. So if it is taking 10 minutes of time to install a package in PIP, here in UV you can install it in only 2 minutes. That is what they are claiming. Don't worry, obviously we will also test it out at the end of this particular video or in our part 2 as well. So just stay till the end of this particular video, understand it. So all-in-one package manager. So it is all-in-one manager actually, which has packages, environments, Python versions, tools, everything are there. So not now, I actually thought to make this particular UV package manager video around 6 to 7 months back only. But that was the time when UV was initially launched and the trend was there. But I haven't created the video at that time. The main reason was it was very limited and a very new tool which came into the market, or new package manager which came into the market, and all the libraries are still not yet adapted to UV. So that was the reason I haven't created the video at that time. But after seeing its popularity and the craze now, I feel everyone should move, or everyone should support UV package manager, and we should use it. So that's the reason I'm creating it. Global cache, no repeated download. So if there is something already downloaded, then there is no repeated downloads. Not like your pip, like if there is something already existing, even if a small point of version change also, it will uninstall, reinstall. So that work will not be there in UV. Cross platform support, it supports your Linux, Mac OS, Windows obviously. Efficiency, saves disk space, copy on write and hard links, so it can save your disk space as well. These are some of the main key features. Difference between your PIP and UV. So PIP was written in Python and UV is written in Rust. Speed, so PIP is standard, this is 8 to 10x faster and 80x with warm cache. Okay. Dependency resolution, basic backtracking. Here you have pubgrub and advanced resolver. So based on your package, it can resolve automatically. Some dependency errors are there. So virtual environment creation, In PIP, you need to create a normal virtual environment, whether it can be in Conda or your PIP, you have to obviously create, right? You have to use source in PIP, or in Conda, you have to use Conda create -p. So, but in UV, it is built in, and even you can create it faster here. Python version management in PIP you don't have, and UV you have the version management built in. In PIP you have, but you have to manually give it. Tool management, PIP is not having it, and UV has it built in as well. Okay. Real world impact and difference. UV speed up workflows dynamically. No more juggling PIP or PIP tools, PIPX or VENV separately. So easy to manage large and more complex projects in UV. Advantages of using UV: bustling fast dependency installations, unified project management. So project management is very easy and unified. Better dependency resolutions are there in this. No Python needed for UV installation. It's a standalone binary. When to use PIP and when to use UV. Okay, we will see that. Obviously, you got UV. It doesn't mean that all your projects you have to move to UV, right, from PIP. If you are already having some projects which are developed in PIP and which is already running on your servers with PIP, I recommend not to change them. Only if you are creating something new projects right now, and if you are still planning and you are creating right now in the structuring, then go with UV. Okay. So UV is helpful for big data projects or big projects with many dependencies. So if you are building something for production, you will be required many libraries to be there, right? There this can help you, like building a machine learning project from scratch or deep learning project, even your AI project right now. Need Python version management. So for UV, you need a Python version management. Speed and global cache matters are there. So when that is the requirement, then you can use it. When you have a speed as main priority. Prefer PIP when you have small and simple scripts to run. Legacy server, like restricted installations are there, then you have to use PIP. Team is already familiar with PIP setup, then you can go with it. If they are not familiar, now it's time to move ahead, so just teach them. So if they learn, then from next project use UV. That's all. It is not going to take much time. Obviously, you can provide this video to them as well. Quick recap. So in short, what I'm trying to tell you in this particular video is UV offers modern, fast and better project management, and it is very fast compared to your PIP and even very simple. So UV is ideal for future ready Python projects. So if there is something you are developing in Python for your future ready, or if you're writing it for server as well, then you can use UV now. Okay, so guys, this video was pretty short and very clear. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe the channel, on the bell notification. Share this video with your friends. So the more you share this video with your friends, we will get more subscribers. So education channel definitely need your support, and I definitely need your support to create latest content and bring it to you all. And I want you all to support me just by subscribing. Okay. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Meet you all again in my next video. Bye bye.